Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 358. What is that, like seven episodes left? And I'll have hit 365 days in a row. I will tell you, it has been one of the most challenging things that I have done, to have it every day, no matter what I felt like, no matter what time I got done, any of that. To have it done every day was quite the challenge. Anywho, we're back. Today's our one day we're working this week, so we got a lot of stuff to squeeze in one day. Look at my garage, it's a fucking mess. So I changed Desi's oil, and we were in a hurry because she got here a little late, so I didn't clean up anything. I just left it. It's all just piled there waiting for me to clean up. But that's what the weekend's for, right? We'll get through today, and then we can do whatever projects we want this weekend. And I've got a lot of projects, so I don't know for sure what all I'm going to do this weekend, but whatever it is, it's our last weekend together. You'll see. All right, guys, it is like 4:30, and had a busy day at work, but I've called it. I'm done. So I'm officially starting Thanksgiving weekend today, Tuesday, 4:30 p.m. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm doing whatever the hell I want, except for Thursday. Thursday, I'm at Neves doing Thanksgiving with the family. So anyway, we've got that. So one of the first things I had to do is I had to clean up this fucking mess that I left being in a hurry on Desi's car. And then I did call Chip at K&K Hobbies, and the track is available tomorrow. So I am taking the new RC car to the track tomorrow. Dang, that guy's loud next door with his lawnmower. Dude, really? At the same time I'm recording? People just don't pay attention, do they? Like he knows. Anyway, and then at some point this weekend I'm gonna get this thing out and maybe take it to a track too and do some bashing, because both of them are equally fun, I think. But before that, I gotta get this cleaned up. Then I'm gonna get these bikes moved out of here. There's that guy's loud and noisy again. Why is he over by me when I'm trying to do a video? What's up with that? Anyway, and then I'm gonna back these out, and I'm gonna get the Jeep in here and start on the Jeep. I got lots of projects this weekend. So this weekend is going to be a project weekend. I feel like I'm gonna be doing something or working on something the entire weekend. I should stay incredibly busy. So I put a post on Facebook that said I have 7 days left of the 365 days of vlogs. What should I do next? Some of the answers have been pretty interesting. So I don't know what I'm gonna do next. What do you guys think I should do next? After the 365 days are over, what should I do next? Put it in the comments below. Anyway, I'm gonna get busy and start getting this crap cleaned up so that I can kick off my weekend. We'll see you guys in a few. All right, garage is clean. Jeep is over here now instead of over in the other garage. The bikes are all moved. I just started messing with it a little bit. I'm not going to do much tonight, but I do have spark. So I checked the spark. I have spark. So I put starter fluid in. It didn't start. I have some other issue. I'm not sure what it is. Lots of people have said check the crank sensor. I will check that whatever day I get to work on it. That'll be the first thing I check. The life of old vehicles. Guess that's what I get for having older stuff. Although newer stuff breaks down too, and it's harder to fix. Gotta have computer systems and all kinds of crap. I don't really have to have that for this. I just have to be smarter than it is, right? We'll get it figured out eventually. Last time it took like 2 years. So let's just hope that I'm more on it now than I was then. And this doesn't take me 2 years. Anyway, that's it. That is a wrap for today. I'm done. Again, put your comments below. Tell me what you think I should do. This is probably a pretty short video. But I know I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, so I'll talk to you before Thanksgiving. If you guys don't see me again, though, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you and your family have a wonderful time and a great weekend. And you see what my weekend's going to be. RC racing. I got Neve's car to fix. She has decided to keep it, so that means it needs to be repaired. AC doesn't work, and she's overheating. So I got to figure that out this weekend and get that fixed. Oil changed on hers, the Jeep, and then I want to go play too. And then if I get all of that done, then I can always start on old Red over here, because old Red needs to be rebuilt. And I got most of the parts sitting around here. I just need to put it together. But I don't think I'm going to get all the other stuff done in order to start on Red. But as soon as that's done, Red's the next project on the list. Although, if you guys follow along, from the hurricane, we have some painting and stuff to do. I don't know how long Mama Badger's going to let me do my stuff before she makes me help her do her stuff. So, we'll see. Let's get this weekend started. See you tomorrow.